How to edit your vibes in Vibes widget app, meaning adding your Memojis. So just on the home screen, tap on settings icon, and then you can just remove the vibe, and then you can just add a new vibe like that. So for example, for happy, you can just add a new vibe, and then you can just tap done, and that's basically your vibe, for example, for this emotion. Then you can also add hungry, calm, stressed, blessed, awkward, disgusted, and then just tap done. So that's basically the idea of it. And okay, so then you can also add some additional ones. Fill emojis, I don't know. Okay, fill emojis, then you can just add some additional photos.